It's the shower tray, fire damaged. This is all the associated pipe associated with the shower. It's all melted. All this pipework here is fire damage, so it all needs to be changed. The integrity of the pipework will almost certainly be affected. As you can see from the timber joists, they're going to need to be changed due to the fire damage. So why are we making this video? So my name's Ian Puddick. I'm the expert on various shows on ITV, Channel 4, BBC. And we want to make a very short video because we get involved in these sort of claims almost every day, where someone's had a fire. This is obviously extreme circumstances. So we've got fire, boilers caught fire. The heat transfer has just gone through the stud floors here and just damaged everything and caused considerable damage. So the purpose of this video is what's the difference between a loss adjuster and a loss assessor. So in circumstances like this, which would be, obviously I'm repeating myself by saying extreme, they'd be very stressful. I mean, certainly extremely stressful. Assuming that you've got insurance, the insurance company will appoint their loss adjuster, and he or she would come down and would look at your policy and look at the damage and assess it and make an appropriate claim for you. Well, that loss adjuster, he or she works for the insurance company. Now, they are supposed to be independent, but in the real world, I can tell you that doesn't really always work out. What we would recommend is that you speak to us. The advice is always free, even if it's not a big claim like this, it's just a very small matter. Just give us a call, it's completely free, and the advice we give you, we believe, will be truly independent and will be in your interests, not the insurance company interests. But the loss assessor, when appointed, works for you and works directly for you and has your interests at heart and isn't working for the insurance company looking to reduce the claim, looking to reduce the cost of the whole process. So that's the purpose of this video. Whether it's a fire, a flood, some sort of damage. We've even had car impacting people's walls and boundary walls. Just give us a call. As I said, the advice is completely free. It's fantastic advice, and it will certainly be in your benefit to do that. The telephone number will be in the description under this video. Thank you for watching.